Wait, we're going to have a front tomorrow. We're going to have a front later on in the week. So people are going to try to stay warm. I actually have some tips here that I want to let everyone know. Here's some winter fire safety tips for you guys. Just a reminder to turn off all portable heaters when you're asleep or away, and only use one heat-producing appliance per outlet, because obviously we don't want to overheat that one outlet itself. And if you have any flammable objects, keep it at least 3 feet away from any heat sources. That would include any of those portable heaters, or from a fireplace as well. And if you do have a fireplace, make sure that you use a metal grate or a heat-tempered glass to actually secure the fireplace itself. And make sure you get the chimney checked too. You got to do that as well in case it needs to be swept or anything like that. If you do have an outlet, make sure that you don't attach any heaters to it. Make sure that your furnace is inspected and cleaned annually, and check that fire detector as well, because any of this could be a fire hazard. We want to make sure everyone stays warm in a nice, safe way. Live look out of Covington Cellars in high Texas at this point, with clearer skies from what we saw this morning. There's still a couple of clouds here and there, but all the drizzle, all the rain that we saw that was coming through, that's gone now, and we're getting more sunshine no matter where you're at. Zoom out a bit more. There was some moisture out towards San Antonio, moving out towards Del Rio, but a lot of that not even making it down to the ground. It's just more of the cloud coverage that we're continuing to see. Current temperatures right now, 73 degrees at this point. Humidity has dropped a little bit, but it was very muggy this morning. Pollen count, cedar and mold still in the low categories, but those on the upward trend too. So it's a lot working against us in the morning hours. Fog will be another issue for tomorrow morning. Winds are going to calm down. They'll be at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, even lighter. So if you saw some fog this morning, you may see some fog tomorrow as well. Temperature is going to be about 60 degrees, but it's all going to change as we have a front that's going to make its way on through. Now, I don't see very much rain chances over the course of the day itself, but this model saying you may still see 1 or 2 overall. Play this out a bit more, and then we have that next front that's expected to arrive. That front should be arriving sometime after 9 a.m. And as it does, we're going to get that lift. We'll get a line of showers that'll push through. And could any of it be heavy? Maybe a pocket or two, but I don't expect to see too much. In fact, the amount of rainfall is going to be less than 1/10 of an inch of rain for pretty much everyone. So your 7-day forecast, 82 degrees for today. We're down to 67 for tomorrow, but look at these lows. 39 on Thursday morning, 42 for Friday morning, 39 again for Saturday morning, but Saturday itself is going to be fantastic for the big game. As we get out towards Sunday and Monday, temperatures slowly start to warm up right ahead of Christmas.